I'm here today at 410 Collins Avenue in Osteen, Florida. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,104 square feet home. Sits on 0.84 acres, a large corner lot. One family has owned this home since it was built. I'm just going to give you a little tour here today. There are some new homes built across the street over there. You wouldn't hardly know they're there, but they are. Behind that fence. Pretty quiet back here. We did have a car go by just a minute ago. First car that's gone by since I've been standing out here. This home has a lot of nice features. It does not have central heat and air. It has window units with heat and air. And they do a really nice job of keeping it cool in here. I understand it can be financed. This home has newer luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. Split floor plan. Let's take a quick look at the kitchen here. The appliances are newer, has a newer roof. Just about everything in it is newer, I'd say. There's a lot of new components to this home. Large screen porch, we'll take a look at that in a moment. Let's go look at the primary suite here. This is not a garage, never has been. But this is the master bedroom. It is vacant right now. There is a security system in place. Full bath here at this end. And let's go take a look on the rest of the home. Kitchen, main living area from this side. Plenty of storage in here. Electrical has been updated as well. Septic and well are newer. This is bedroom 2. Extra floors, closet. A lot of mirrors in here. I'm trying to stay out of the way of them. This room could use a fresh coat of paint, but the home is really in good condition, has great bones. Okay, let's go take a look outside. I forgot to unlock that door, so just praying that it goes. Apologize for not having these chairs in order, but well, we're working here today. Washer and dryer does stay with the home. Plenty of room here. This screen porch was just put on, I believe, in 2023. Little shed, well, as I mentioned before, 2023. Submersible pump. Nice sitting area, super quiet, affordable living here. No electric bills, no homeowners association, none of that. So if you're looking for reliable, affordable living for many years to come, this is it. Thanks for watching.